that I think will be helpful for you, that when you're drawing with a pen, is being able to change the width of your stroke. So here I am in Illustrator with a flower, and here is here are two strokes, and notice how this one is really super narrow, and then this one comes from wide to fat. And in making this flower, so I wouldn't have to trace each petal one at a time and have all the strokes be the same, being able to adjust the strokes would be much easier. So to do this, I'm simply going to make a new layer, and then I'm going to use my pen tool like I normally would and come up with the petal and click on both ends of the petal. And right now I have it on black so that you can see it. Actually, I have my stroke on pink. Let's change it to black so that you can see it in the flower. And I'm going to select it and change that stroke to black. See, it is just a line now on the flower. Now, to change that is very simple. This little tool here that looks like a tulip is a width tool. And you can't, I can't get it to work with a paintbrush, but I can get it to work with the pen or the shape line segment tool really quite easily. So you click on whichever side that you want to be different, and then you can just drag that width of that edge. So you can drag that width however big you want it to be. So there it is in black, and I can easily make line petals like that. If my overall width is not thick enough, then you can go to Windows and pull down Stroke, which I just had there again. Let's go back and get it. And my strokes aren't showing up right on top automatically. If your keyboard is where you want it to show up on your keyboard, you can put it right up in the top and get it to be there. But I had that there yesterday, and then it goes back to, there it is, stroke 1 point. So I can make my stroke 4, and that will automatically be thicker to begin with. Exactly saying that right now my stroke is really a lot bigger than 4. And then I've made that triangle shaped stroke. And I can just repeat that how much ever I want to within the line of my flower. That one's pretty sharp. And you can change the cap and the end point, so you don't have to have it in with a exact round one. Let's see how that made that beautiful little round ended point on that end. Hope that you play with that and that will help. Have fun.